Here we learn about Python strings and text. So the strings are directly used, but with formatting. The formatting uses the CF double quotes and then the starting and ending. And inside this string, whatever we are giving, being formatted using like this. Like x equal to if there are 10 types of people, that types of people are coming like this, there are 10 types of people like this. Okay, so this is being the string is being formatted like this. There is another type of formatting, like we can use this dot format. So joke evaluation dot format. Where is the joke evaluation? Joke evaluation, the string is defined here, the joke evaluation is here, and then isn't that joke so funny, and the put the exclamation and then the curly braces are started. So this curly braces is being applied to this format, and this format is taken this hilarious, and this hilarious is already defined like false. This false is being placed here. So when you print joke evaluation dot format, and what it is printing here, uh, those isn't that joke so funny, false. Okay, and then there is another thing is that concatenation of the string. So using plus symbol, it is being concat. There are two strings are given like this. This is the left side of and a string with a right side. So this one, when you try to print w plus e print, this is the left side of a string with a right side. So whatever the three dots are given, and soon after that this is being attached to that one, so it is concatenated this way. By this time you understood that these curly braces are used for the formatting purpose. So this can be extended further level, like a dot format, like you can call it as a formatter, and that like associativity rule, right? We can give the prior to that that one, and then this curly braces can be given, and then dot format. If you say 1 2 3 4, this 1 2 3 4 being printed like this, 1 2 3 4 being printed, and 1 2 3 4 in a letters, right? That also being printed, it is being formatted 1 2 3 4, like with the spaces, right? True, like 1 2 3 4, and true false and boolean values also being formatted. And when you call it dot format and formatter, the formatter actually represents the four curly braces set, right? This again 4 into 4, right? Four times it is being printed here. So even if it is a long lengthy string with multiple strings are given like this, and as per our format, we are using the four curly braces, right? This being placed with a try your one set, and one text one set, one text here one set, maybe a poem one set, like that. No, this each formatter is being put and kept here with spaces, enough spaces. That's all.